Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your Telegram group so that only admins can send messages. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your group announcement only, perfect if you want to keep your messages organized and avoid unnecessary clutter from members. Let's get right into it. First, open your Telegram desktop app and find the group you want to manage. It might sound simple, but it's always best to double-check that you're working in the right group, especially if you're an admin in several. Just scroll through your chat list and click on the group's name. Opening the right group from the start will help you avoid any mix-ups later on. Once you're inside the group chat, direct your eyes to the very top of the window, where you'll see the group's name and its profile picture. Give that a click. This opens up all the important details about your group, like the members list, group description, and more. Think of this spot as your group's control center, where all the key settings live. Next, we want to go a little deeper and edit the group's settings. Look for a pencil icon. It's often in the corner, or you might see 3 dots or a gear instead, depending on your Telegram version. Don't worry if yours looks a bit different. The options are always in this upper section. Clicking here takes you into the settings menu, where you can really take control over how your group functions. Now look for the section labeled Permissions. This is the heart of where you decide what regular members can and can't do. Go ahead and click on Permissions. Telegram makes this part very user-friendly. You'll see a list of actions, each with a switch next to it. Every toggle here represents something group members are allowed to do, like sending messages, media, stickers, and more. The most crucial part now. We're going to turn off these permissions to make sure only admins can post in the group. Start by toggling off the switch for Send Messages. This one is essential, as it directly controls whether members can type in the chat. You'll notice other options for sending media like photos, videos, files, or even fun features like stickers, GIFs, voice messages, or polls. Flip off each of these toggles too. Think of it as closing all the little doors except the one reserved for admins. If you ever want to let your group open up for a special event, you can always pop back in and turn these permissions back on. Double-check your settings and look for a button that says Save, Done, or maybe just a small check mark. Make sure you confirm your changes. This final step locks in your new permissions, so your group will instantly shift to an announcements-only mode. If you skip this step, your toggles might look right, but your group won't actually change, so don't miss it. Sometimes there's a small pause here as Telegram updates the settings, so just give it a few seconds. Once you followed these steps, your Telegram group is now set up so that only admins, including yourself, can send messages, share files, photos, or anything else. This is perfect for keeping announcements clear, running community bulletins, or just making sure important info doesn't get lost in endless chatter. And that's it, your group is now admin only. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to hit the like button. And if you ran into any issues or have questions about other Telegram features, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tips and how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.